Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to show you how to create your perfect eyebrows with a very basic tips. This video is specially for beginners and hopefully this will help you. If you are enjoying my video, then don't forget to give a big thumbs up. And if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss my video. So let's move on to the process. Now I am going to start with my spoolie brush for brushing my eyebrows like this. This step is important to separate eyebrows hair, but it should be a line and nice arch shape. Now I am going to use this eyebrow kit from Fauclair and a angular brush. Now I am going to mix these two black and brown shade and filling up the gap of my eyebrows. Whenever you picking up the product by a brush, then you should dust it off the excess, otherwise it will look horrible and unnatural. As you can see that I started applying from middle of my eyebrows. Do not start with the inner corner of your eyebrows. If you are doing that can be a problem to adjust. That is why the whole process should be done with very light handed. Well, I'm done with my right eyebrow. And now I'm coming back after completing it. And it's done. Well, now I'm going to use concealer from MAC. I'm in the shade NC25 and applying with a flat brush. And now I am going to blend this with the beauty sponge. Well, as you can see, my right eyebrow is done. Also, it looks so natural and clean. I have to do the same process with this. And my eyebrows is almost done. And again I am going to use this palette. If there is any uneven line somewhere, you have to do it for after concealing with very light handed. Well, my eyebrows is completely done, and as you can see, it's look very natural and smooth. I hope this video is helpful to you. Bye.